Welcome to our 2020 planning overview. Today we're going to look at the owner data hierarchy template and how you can update that as an analyst. We're starting off here on our landing page, and a link to this will be on our JAM site. We'll make sure we include it in all the communication around planning, so this will be easy to get to. Here you can see a link to the templates. There'll be some brief instructions and a place to get full instructions here. On the bottom is an overview of how all the different teams are doing, so you can make sure that your team is working harder and beating everybody else. Once you click through for full instructions, it'll take you to the analyst dashboard, and here you'll have the full instructions. And when you log in as you, the My Assigned Territories will show you all the territories you have yet to fulfill. So it'll be a little handy way that you can just get to that work immediately. And down here is that competition graphs again, both by team and by person. So even if you're on Lindsay's team and you're doing well, Joey can make sure that he's working faster than Kelly, and so on. But let's look at how we update the hierarchy itself. So clicking through, you can see that this is laid out. I'm looking at the S&M one right now by segment. These are ones that Stephanie Newman and Sean Rojas have just to start off with as examples. You can filter it to find your own work, but we'll just start here. So what we're going to do is all these rows or columns are locked. So you're not going to go over here and try to overwrite any information. Instead, you're going to approve or disprove every line as they go. So if this first line is exactly as it should be, you'll go to Action and put Keep As Is. Now, if you're going to change National East to be U.S. National East 1, and then you're going to have an East 2, for example, you're going to go in here and put delete that line, and then you're going to insert below a new line, and then you can just cut and paste this information if you wanted to. So you have to write everything in, and then you'll put in East 1. So that one's going to be delete. This one you're going to put is new. Populate your name down. And as you go, make sure you are checking each of these off. The reason you're putting those complete boxes in is once you have this entire field completed between the blue bars, an email will automatically be generated to go to your manager, in this instance Courtney, and Courtney will be asked to approve your work. If she approves it, it'll lock everything and it'll be nice and tidy. If she sees something wrong, like, oh no, we weren't going to actually do East 1, we're going to take that one out, then she can email you back and ask you to make those updates. Just like Excel, if you don't want to click through all of them, you can click one and then drag it down to populate them all. It makes it a lot easier. Same thing if you're going to do Keep As Is for all of them. It's as simple as that. And Excel type hotkeys work. I just did Control Z to undo those. And once you get through your whole list here, then we can begin to build out other templates. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email is on the information on the landing page, but hopefully this will help you complete the owner hierarchy templates.